Today we are doing the most requested sparkly New Year's Eve date night smoky eye look. If you have monolids, I know it can be a pain to do your makeup, so I'm teaching you on how I was able to achieve this without having to have visible crease. Starting off with the cream eyeliner for Maybelline, we are going to do the classic eyeliner for monolids, the iconic keep adding till you see once you open your eyes. This is the beginner amateur way to apply eyeliners for monolids 2009 edition. I prefer using cream eyeliners to get that bold look, and it's easier to blend without being too patchy. Plus it keeps your makeup clean because black eyeshadow powders all over your face is definitely a pain. Blend it seamlessly until you achieve your desired smoky look. Make sure to apply the same technique with your lower eyelid. Blend it well, make sure there is no visible harsh lines. Then we are moving to adding a little bit of shadow to it. I'm taking Patrick Star Visionary palette using the shade Sway Charm. Lightly apply it over and blend it well. Next, we are taking Rebel Grey, apply on your inner eyelids, blend it as well. And moving on to my favorite step, which is using this liquid glitter from Shein. Lightly apply it with your fingertips in the same area where you added Rebel Grey. I added a little bit on this area because it's cute. Highlights on the highest point of your cheeks to bring out your cheekbones, and below your eyebrows and inner corners to open up your eyes. Adding false lashes to match with your bold eye look. And for bold glitter makeup, we don't want dewy skin for this, so we are finishing off with everyone's all-time favorite translucent powder from Laura Mercier to achieve that soft matte look. And we're done. Happy New Year, everyone. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on social so we can stay connected. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. See you on the next